how to make more money if you are a designer. Definitely there's an answer for this big question, and we have it in this video, because today in this video I want to share with you the platform that will allow you to sell your designs anytime that you need. So first of all, we're going to walk around on the official website. We're going to take a look what can we find there, and after, in the end of the story, I'm going to show you how to physically upload your designed work to this platform to sell it worldwide. So stick around till the end of this video not to miss any important part, and let's jump straight to business. The platform called MasterBundles, and here on this website you can sell your work. You can buy some works, some graphics, some designs if you need, and let's discover what do we have here. Let's press just all products, and we see graphics, fonts, add-ons, templates, and stock content. So let's take a closer look to each of them. In the graphics, we do have icons, illustrations, patterns, logos, badges, textures, backgrounds, t-shirts, and in the t-shirts you can see like a lot of different types of stuff right here. Characters, infographics. In the fonts, if you're a professional in the fonts making, definitely you can sell your own font. And there's sans serif, serif script, display, symbol, and so on. Add-ons, Photoshop plugins, Illustrator add-ons, Lightroom add-ons, Procreate brushes, and a lot of interesting tools that you can buy. And if you can to create them, you can make money by selling them on this platform. MasterBundles, of course, the link you can find in the description panel of this video. At the templates, we do have PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides, social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, mockups, printable things like brochures, cards and postcards, calendars, coloring pages, invitations, and so on. There are a lot of interesting tools. Even the resume, colleague, acting, designer, blank, federal, marketing, engineering, nursing, project manager, student, teacher. So a lot of interesting tools that you can create and upload to this great platform to sell it whenever you want. There's even WordPress. There's also stock content like footage, photo, or SVG files. I do have an account, so I don't need to create one, but you need to sign up if you jump for this platform for the first time. So you need to sign up. I'm gonna jump to my account, and what do we have here? We have the vendors cabinet, partner marketing cabinet, and buyers cabinet. So let's start from the start. In the vendors cabinet, there's all the items that I've uploaded, all the designs, all the products that I am selling right now, or you gonna be selling. You can see all the information in the dashboard. You can add a product. You can make the closer look to your earnings, and there's profile information. Partner marketing cabinet is the place where you can find your own affiliate, personal affiliate parameter, the link that you can promote to earn more money when somebody will buy products on MasterBundles using this link. So this is also a great opportunity to make even more money from this platform. And there's buyer cabinet here at this spot. You will see what have you bought already. All your items that you purchased will appear right here. So let's go to vendor cabinet, and as I promised, I'm gonna add a product, and we're gonna follow the steps to add this product. I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, add a product title for MasterBundles, let it be. Then we need to choose the category. Templates, printable, menu. Okay. Here you can choose the license price. You can make it manually, or you can press just auto pricing and it's going to be done. There's price for personal use, for commercial use, extended commercial use, and the old price 49. Let's now upload the preview image number one. It's need to be 1100 to 1100 pixels and 500 kilobytes max. All right, now we need to upload the file with a PSD or whatever the file is. We need to upload it here, and it need to be uploaded only in zip files, and make sure that your project is not more than 4 gigabytes. This is crucial. Okay, it's successfully uploaded. Here you can add more media, and here you need to upload the Pinterest image, 1000 for 1500 pixels. Now we need to add the product description, and here we can change a little bit search engine listing. Then we press submit, and the magic is happening. Okay, thank you for your bundle. It has been sent, so that means that everything is cool and our design is already on the platform. Guys, MasterBundles, strongly recommended platform. We now launching a promotion for our subscribers, for our friends with a MasterBundle. And if you need your own bonus, your own discount, use the link in the description panel of this video with a unique promo code for our subscribers, for our friends, to get your own discount. Thanks y'all for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this information was useful. See ya in the next video. Bye bye.